are you doing today, Chewy?
Oh my God.
The real bag, I mean, it's broke. Oh shit, I thought you say you don't got no nothing testing. Yeah.
So you're gonna fix it for him?
Yeah, we're gonna replace, look. Screen's broke on the back side.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's just kind of hanging there, hanging out.
Well, let's put a new one. Yeah, let me pick this one. Just leave it like that. Leave it like that? You want to see something pretty cool? Look at this.
Yeah, show me what's pretty cool.
This one is pretty cool. Look.
It's
Maybe if you weld it here and make it work again.
It's like a free hanging one. It's they call that gravity free.
Don't you been unbolt it?
Yeah, this one's spin it.
How you gonna do your U-boat kit? I need to lift up.
That's what I need my impact is shoulder.
The small one?
Yeah.
Why you want to use that blue one?
Huh?
You think the blue one will work? The blue and white one?
No, that one no.
Too weak? Okay.
Actually, I don't know if it does.
Go get a chill bar. What's up? What do you think?
I tell him, I said, man, that's really,
That's your problem right here, sir. That's what the system.
Yeah,
the brake say that is short right here because when it broke, you hit it right in the top and cut it off.
yeah, and I was telling him I was going to see if maybe you can butt splice that two wires back together for me. I knew exactly what it was. I seen it, but yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah.
See if maybe I can do it. So I know what.
Sure.
That's the
Same
right.
link. Yeah, it is.
Same link.
Yeah. Yeah. It is.
So the 4 string. You tell me don't come home. Don't come over here and tell me how to mow my grass. Shut up.
Yeah. Yeah. Set other bolts. Well,
The moisture.
yeah. This way, like this. Disconnect this one.
What you need?
Actually, I would say this. brakes is in the.
That's why it's keep That's why it's keep breaking
You
on.
get the brakes working though. That's why you had them backwards on. I couldn't tell you, I'm not the expert. I can build an engine all day long, but I cannot put trailer brakes on.
Golly.
Yeah.
I can take an OBS 350 and rebuild it in 4 hours.
Yeah. Can you hold this one, train for me? Just hold it because I need to put the plate on. Just hold it out. Yeah.
You gonna have to get the hammer. It feels good that we're getting this rain.
All right. Let's do that. I'm gonna try to see. Hold it right there. Don't push it down. I'm just gonna see
If you can
if
start
my
it.
yeah. I think it's too low right now. Yeah, it's not gonna fit. Go ahead with the jack. Hold on. You need to pick it up. This one. You don't got no room right there, don't you? Push it up.
Push it up.
Yeah, hold on.
This the left side.
But it didn't move.
Oh, he printed that, son?
Yeah, I ain't really got, I only got like one freight.
Really tight, but
With your bill? That rain's good, don't it, Chewy?
yeah.
You about to use your cheetah bar?
The cheetah bar.
Cheetah bar.
I feel like 300 pounds already. Yeah, that's good. Okay, put it down easy.
Look at this. Alrighty.
Look at that. What you doing with it?
Oh, I ain't
Come on, man.
do nothing.
Right now, ready? Let's go.
Alright. You tighten that back up.
Yeah, let's go put this one down. Okay. Now I need to fix the wire because it's chopped right now. Let me go get my connection.
Alright. Next, we're about to have Chewy fix the brake wire for our customer. And then he'll be back on the road.
Me.
Yes, sir. To show our viewers.
Oh my goodness. It's a showroom cable, but try to reach it and put it right here.
So now what are you doing, Chewy?
We connected back the brakes.
His brakes.
Yep.
Then after that, what you gotta was put the tie back
Put
on.
the tie back on and
Yeah,
just
he
put it in the ground and ready to go.
Be done.
Yep.
Done deal.
Yeah. Man, this cable is so completely smashed.